Hi guys. I think my phone's a little dirty. So right now we are vlogging for the first time today. We moved in today and we are dealing with Popo because we ordered food from a restaurant here and we found like a maggot in our rice. And what else? We also found a hair in the broccoli. We came back with all the food. They don't want to give us our money back. So we're waiting for the cops to come out now and we'll see what happens. Hey guys, so I'm back at my mom's house right now. I did not get to vlog our move-in day because everything was so busy and just crazy hectic, and we were waiting on like people to come with furniture and deliveries and cable setup and all of that. And to be honest, I didn't really want to put Kyle on camera so much because, you know, he's dealing with a loss right now. You know, he could talk to you guys more about that if he feels like he wants to talk about that. But yeah, that's another reason why I didn't really vlog today either. But, you know, we were kind of having a good day. We had finally finished putting together all the stuff that we had got from IKEA and like Wayfair and stuff, and we decided to order Chinese food. It was me, Kyle, and 2 of our friends. When we got the food, everybody sat down and began eating, and I am like crazy and I always check my food, thank God. And I found like a maggot in my rice, and on closer inspection of the food, my friend also found a hair in my food. Needless to say, I'm having cereal for dinner. We called the place and I said, hey, listen. Shh. I said, listen, you know, this is what I found in my food. I would like a refund. And automatically they were like, well, you need to bring us the food so we can look at it. Unfortunately, when I had just found the bug in my food, I picked it up to look at it because I thought maybe it was a part of like the vegetables because I was eating vegetable fried rice. And I don't know what I did with it. So I'm pretty sure I like kind of wiped my hands and put it back in my food, but I had looked for it after I had gotten up to spit out whatever was in my mouth already. And I don't know what happened to the little bug. So unfortunately I didn't have that, but I did have like the hair obviously was still in the food and stuff, so we saved that so that the people can see it. But either way, you know, I'm telling you, there's a bug in my food or there's a hair in my food, you should refund me my money. It's like crazy. They didn't want to refund us the money when we went back. So we called the cops. And I know it's like a bit extreme, but like, you know, I spent a lot of money in there on the food, and, you know, there was a legit reason why I was returning the food, and we had packed all the food back up like the way that they asked. So I'm giving you back the food. You should just refund me the money, or at least like make us only pay for whatever wasn't there. I think the only thing that wasn't there out of our entire order was the 2 sodas that they had given us, like the 2 cans of sodas, because obviously, you know, they were opened already, and 1 spring roll, which is almost like an egg roll. It's just a little bit different. One of the spring rolls wasn't there because Kyle had eaten like 3/4 of it already, so I wasn't gonna bring back like a nub of a spring roll, so I just didn't bring that, but everything else was there. So anyways, once the cops got there, they talked to us, and then they went inside and asked us to wait outside, which I understand because they probably didn't want the situation to escalate. They don't know how we are or how these people are, so it was fine. We just waited outside, and then once they came outside, they gave us a receipt and said that they did a total refund because I paid with it on my debit card. And so I should see the refund soon. So I don't know. I'm giving it like 24 hours, maybe 48 hours. So now that I just rambled on for like 5 minutes about our night, I'm going to have some cereal. Wheaties. Kyle's taking a shower right now. And like I said, we're back here for the night. We could have stayed in the apartment, but we don't have a mattress right now. The mattress is at Kyle's mother's house, and we're not getting that until Sunday night. We're not getting it there. Right now it's Thursday. So we actually have to wait to actually sleep there but that's fine. Like tomorrow we can either do like an air mattress or something like that. Just because I don't know, I have like OCD, and once like all the stuff is in there, I just want to be there to unpack everything and get settled in, you know. And I want to do it as soon as possible because I would love to do my apartment tour and have people over, and I just want to be excited. I want to start filming in there and figure out, you know, the whole editing process that we were having issues with, like if I'm going to get a computer or a laptop or like what's going to happen. So, yeah. I'm still shaking. I'm so cold and I'm nervous about what happened. Every time like something like that happens and I get all worked up, I start shaking. So, it's just like an, I don't know, adrenaline, I guess. I really love the apartment. We're really happy right now. We just wish that, you know, we had a better dinner. I mean, other than that, we're really happy. I'm so thankful that my friends and my parents actually came to help us move everything in and build all the furniture, because if you've never ordered anything from IKEA or like any sort of place when you have to put it together yourself, it's a mission. And we had to put together 2 night tables, a dresser, a coffee table, and a fireplace. That's a lot of stuff, so it took us a long time, but we did it, and I'm so grateful that that's out of the way, and now we could just focus on moving in, so that's going to be really nice. I don't know, I think I might just cut this vlog here because it has been a whirlwind of a week between the holidays, everything that's going on with Kyle, moving into our apartment, and now we just had to finish unpacking. So I think I am going to cut this vlog here. I'm so sorry that I, you know, didn't get to vlog the day. It was just really crazy, like I said. So, but you will be getting a apartment tour. So look forward to that sometime maybe at the end of January or probably next month. I would probably say like next month to be safe. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching and for listening to me vent about my Chinese dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.